Hello, preppers. If you are preparing for Cape Gemini and you are looking for the right place to understand how to prepare for Cape Gemini, you are at the right place. Yes, for this particular video, we are going to talk about how to prepare for Cape Gemini for the on-campus exam for 2025. Yes, Cape Gemini has come to a couple of colleges. We do have the news and we know that it is going to knock at the doors of multiple other colleges. So if you want to stay prepared for Cape Gemini, this particular video is going to be absolutely holy grail for you. All right, so make sure that you watch this video up until the very end, because we have given you perks and benefits of how to prepare for Cape Gemini this particular year. All right, but before that, make sure you're connected with us on all of our social media handles, the links of which will be there in the description once you end up with the video. We give absolutely latest hiring updates on all of our social media channels, be it Instagram, Discord, WhatsApp, Telegram, or YouTube. So make sure you're connected with us on all of our handles, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, because you are watching this video right here on YouTube, and you will be getting multiple more videos related to Cape Gemini, Cognizant, TCS, Accenture, and so many other companies right on YouTube. And also, please don't forget to click the notification bell as well. All right, moving ahead, another big surprise for you is the top 3 comments on this video will be getting a Prepinsta Prime free access. Yes, so that's a win-win situation. You can comment anything related to your placement journey with which we can help you out with, right? And we'll decide which among the top 3 comments will be getting the Prepinsta Prime access absolutely for free. Why is it a win-win situation? You will definitely know at the end of this video. Alright, let's start off with the Cape Gemini hiring process. The very first step is registration, and it's not just any basic registration. You will have to register for Cape Gemini from Superset. Yes, you will have to make sure that you are a registered user on Superset. You can come over here, enter your login credentials, and start off with the registration for the Cape Gemini process. If you are not registered on Superset, we have a complete video on that as well. Do watch it out. Follow all the steps, register yourself as a Superset user, and then register for this particular hiring. All right, the next on the scale is the technical assessment. Then we have the coding assessment, followed by the English round, and then the interviews, and then the final offer rollouts. Now, as you can see that we have a star mark over here. Why is that so? Because the coding assessment round is optional. It's mandatory for 2 roles of for Cape Gemini and 1 optional role for Cape Gemini, right? So it is optional for A4 profile and mandatory for A4 and A5, A4P and A5 profile. But we will talk about all of those profiles very soon in the upcoming section of the video. So let's move ahead with that. Now, understand the hiring pattern over here, guys. This particular section is very important for you. It's critical for your hiring. So it offers 3 particular roles. First is analyst role at 4.25 LPA. Then we have analyst star at 7.75 LPA. And then we have senior analyst at 7.5 LPA. All right. Now, for this particular role, which is the analyst role, the coding assessment is optional. All right. However, for these 2 roles, it is completely compulsory. Remaining apart from this particular specific round, all of these rounds, just round 1, 2, and 3, all of these are compulsory or mandatory to attend. You cannot miss out on any of the rounds, even if you are preparing for the analyst role, right? So I hope that is clear to you. You will have to go through technical assessment, coding, English, and interviews, all of the 4 rounds for the first 2 for the last 2 roles, this and this, and for this particular role, this is completely optional. I hope that is registered in your head. Let's move ahead with the hiring pattern, or how to prepare and what will be the syllabus and the test pattern. Okay, so you have 3 sections like we've already discussed. You have technical assessment, coding assessment, and then English assessment, followed by the interview at the end. Now, for the technical assessment particularly, we have 3 subsections: technical MCQ, essay writing, and game-based aptitude, right? Total of 100 minutes and 45 questions. Now, for the technical MCQ sections, you have 40 questions at 40 minutes. You have 1 question, 1 essay writing question at 30 minutes. And you have 4 questions out of 30 minutes for the game-based aptitude. How? But ma'am, you have written 24 questions. I have mentioned 24 questions, but you will only have to attempt 4 questions out of 24. So only there will be 24 game-based questions. You will only have to solve 4 questions, and 1 for essay writing and 40 for technical. So you have a total of 45 questions. Does the math? Next is the coding assessment. You have 2 questions at 45 minutes. However, for the analyst star role, you will have to solve at least 1 question, right? For the analyst star role, and you will have to solve all the 2 questions for the senior analyst role, right? For the simple analyst role, this round is completely optional. So you have 2 questions for 45 minutes, and then you have 30 minutes, 30 questions for the last assessment, which is the English assessment. Now, this is a complete approximate number. There might be an increase or decrease in number, but mostly the difference will be 5 to 10 questions, nothing more than that. All right. So that is the complete test structure for which you will have to prepare yourself, plus the interviews. All right. Don't worry, we have your back. We will let you know how to prepare from, where to prepare from, what should be your strategy. We will be letting you know everything. So let's move ahead with the next section, which talks about the technical assessment in details. Right. So the first section is technical MCQ. All right. Starting off with pseudocode, DSA, fundamentals of database and cloud and networking, 40 questions, 40 minutes. But ma'am, what is the bifurcation? How many questions are we going to get? Will be the level of difficulty? For that, you can come on to prevencer.com and understand the pattern, right? The theoretical pattern. You are going to get 25 questions. Sorry, you are going to get 25 questions from pseudocode and DSA, and you're going to get remaining 15 questions from cloud and networking and database, etc. All the technical topics. All right, and you will have to solve all of them in just 40 minutes. All right, I hope that does the math for you. How are you going to prepare for? Come on to prepinstarprime.com. We have a complete solution for everything. You can come over here and start off your preparations for DSA from here. From the coding section, as you can see, we have a complete DSA sections for you in whichever language you prefer. The DSA is here. Then quickly scroll down, and then we have the entire CS up to the technical subject. So you have DBMS, which is the database. You have pseudocode over here, and you have all other sections that you need to prepare for in the technical part. All right. So technical MCQ section sorted with PrepInsta and PrepInsta Prime. Moving forward with the next section, which is essay writing. So you will have to make sure that you put important focus on your spellings, punctuations, grammar, proper paragraph division, and using a good vocabulary to enrich your essays. Yes, these are the pointers that you will be scored on during the essay writing section. Right now, how are you going to prepare for your essay writing section? You can again come down in the interview plus section, and you can come up to aptitude section, and we have a complete essay writing course for you. So this is a complete essay writing course where I personally take you through the entire do's and don'ts, the haves and have nots, the proper structure, proper important details that you have to make sure you include in your essay to make it a 10 out of 10. Right? So please make sure you come over here, complete this essay writing course, and get all of the important details that you need here. Right? So you're going to get only one particular question, one specific topic for 30 minutes. You can invest 30 minutes to complete this particular essay. Moving forward with the last subsection of the technical assessment, you have game-based aptitude. Like we have already discussed that you will have to attempt only 4 questions out of 24 questions in the game-based aptitude. You are going to get questions from these challenges. There are multiple challenges that we have for you on prepinstar.com. You can come over here. You can just go through the game-based section, come over here, game-based aptitude, and on PrepInsta Prime, you can come here. As you can see, we have a complete game-based aptitude course for you where we are solving the entire challenges. Right? So sit along with us, complete all of the challenges that we have in this particular course, which is going to help you to secure a better mark or better scores in a Capgemini technical assessment. All right, so that is all about the technical assessment section. Let's move towards the coding assessment now. Like we have already discussed before, the coding assessment is only compulsory for the analyst star and the senior analyst role. 1 question at least should be correct for the analyst star role, and 2 questions should be correct That means you should be 100 out of 100 for the senior analyst role, right? The questions will be from these multiple topics. Also, there are multiple more topics, not just these. You can get questions from different topics of coding. However, if you want to brush up on your coding knowledge, you can come here, brief yourself up on whichever programming language you prefer, C, C++, Java, or Python. Learn data structures in those particular languages, and you can also move from basic coding skills to the competitive coding section as well, along with DSA. All right. So again, we have got you covered for the coding section as well. So technical assessment, we've got you covered. The coding assessment, we have got you covered. It's important that you have the competitive level of knowledge in programming for at least the senior analyst or the analyst star role. Right. It's very important, very critical for you at this particular time to prepare for yourself and not miss out on any preparation material. Very important. Next on the board is your final round, which is the English assessment round, where you will have to speak, read, and write with the system. All right. So for the writing subsection, you will get MCQs or fill in the blank or fill up the boxes type of questions. You will not have any options. You will have a direct question with a box, and you will have to fill up the box. Right. So there are no particular. You will have MCQs in sub parts, but you will not have MCQs in some parts as well. All right. So for the MCQ section, you have sentence correction, prepositions, grammar, reading comprehension, synonym, antonym, and all of these topics mentioned right on your screen. Take a snapshot if you wish to. Similarly for the FUB section, you might have fill in the blanks. You might have grammar, you might have article, you might have spotting errors. All of these parts can also be considered as an FUB question. So no options, direct answers have to be written. The next section that you have is the reading subsection. What is this? You will be given some sentences or paragraph that you will have to read aloud. So this is going to test your pronunciation. All right, it will test your pronunciation, your fluency, and your level of understanding of verbal reasoning. All right. Finally, you have the speaking section where you will have to listen to a prompt, listen to it very clearly, and then speak it out as the system prompts you. Right. Also, you will also be asked questions, so you will have to answer those questions verbally. Right. So this entire section is going to test your verbal communication in English. The writing subsection will test your grammatical or technical knowledge in English, the reading subsection, and then the speaking subsection. So it's a complete communication assessment round for you. You are going to get approximately 30 questions. I wouldn't say it's the absolute number of questions, but it's an approximate question. All right. And 30 minutes, obviously. Right. So that was a complete section preparation, how to prepare. Now if you wish to know how to prepare properly, you are going to come over here. Right. The next part is interview section. Once you clear out all of these sections, you come towards the interview part, and we have got to cover there as well. As you come over here in the interview section, we have your interview preparation, interview experiences for you. Right. You can scroll down here and look up for Capgemini, and then we can start off with the preparation for the interview. You have interview experiences, like you can see Capgemini is right here. Interview experiences, interview preparation resources, technical interview, HR interview, all of those is covered here. We also have a complete course on Capgemini and PrepInsta Prime that is going to take you through the previous year question pattern, previous year marking scheme, scoring scheme, everything is right there, and the level of difficulty of questions, right? All of that is considered right over here in the company's preparation section for Capgemini. And then as you move forward, we have the project and the skill section, which, let me tell you, if you are aspiring for the senior analyst or the analyst star role, your project and skills is very important. We have recommended these projects and these skills enough to our students, and they have actually been hired. Right. So make sure you have good number of projects on your resume. If you want to prepare for your HR interview, come down in the interview plus section. Make sure you have a complete resume prepared before you start registering on Superset. Right. So we have a complete video on that as well, complete course on that as well. And we have a complete HR prep course, an overall wholesome HR prep course that will take you through the HR questions, how to answer them, how to tackle a situation using the STAR method. And all of that is right here on PrepInsta Prime. So make sure you attach your placement journey with PrepInsta Prime and make sure that you are cracking through all of the interviews and the assessments that you are attempting. right? Also, apart from that, make sure that you're not forgetting to connect with us on all of our social media handles, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. On Instagram, we provide absolutely latest updates on all of the hirings. Plus, we also provide how to prepare for any service-based companies. As you can see this particular post, how you can prepare for any service-based companies. We have a complete roadmap for you. So if you don't want to miss out on all of these opportunities, make sure you connect with us on Instagram, Discord, WhatsApp, Telegram, YouTube, and wherever you see prepping stack, come hug us tight. We are going to help you out for your placement journey. All right. Or you can also use coupon code YouTube YOUTUB in YouTube to get maximum discount on Prepping Star Prime subscription. All right. Thank you so much for watching this particular video. If it has helped you out, make sure that you come join us in a placement journey and secure your dream placement this year. Thank you so much. We will also come up with more such videos for Cape Gemini, so don't forget to be with us. Thank you.